Good morning, and welcome to my, I don't know if you can call it this yet, but my new YouTube channel. My name is Harry Turner. I haven't got a name for the YouTube channel yet, but obviously when this video goes out, you will see it. And when I mean you, I mean probably no one for a very long time. Yes, my name's Harry Turner, and I want to start a YouTube channel and do car reviews, basically, is the long and short of it. Vlogs, etc. The goal is to be like a Joe Achilles, Ricky from Living Life Fast, TR Hamza, TGE. I mean, these guys, especially like TG, etc., they can make zero content, completely irrelevant content, but I'll spend all my evening watching it. And I'm sure like loads and loads and loads of you, we just spend half our life watching these guys on YouTube talking about cars. But they had to start somewhere. So I've been debating it for years and years and years. I'll say about 2 or 3 years now watching these guys, and finally thought, let's just give it a go. So it's come about because I'm going skiing on Saturday, and we need a new GoPro. We bought one like 5 or 6 years ago when they were pretty naff, and managed to convince my girlfriend Liv that let's get one for skiing. She was like, yeah, no worries, no problem at all. And obviously I didn't want it for that, I just want it for car reviews. She doesn't know that. She'll never watch the video. Let's not worry about it. So in terms of technology, I've got no idea. I'm probably like most of you out there. I've still got an iPhone 6S. I think that came out in like 1997. I haven't even got a laptop. So in terms of editing the videos, I've got no idea what I'm doing. I'm using the app at the moment, which has got a picture of my massive head, which I'm looking at, which amazes me in terms of technology. But where technology stands, I'm not brilliant. And in terms of the GoPro, I just got the basic one. It's the GoPro Hero 7 White. If that means anything to some people, I'm sure it does. But it looks pretty good from where I'm standing. So what I want to do is, like I said, car reviews, vlogs, all that sort of thing. So I better start off with just talking a little bit about my car history. It's pretty naff. Now the reason being is, and short-lived, because I know I look about 35, but I'm actually only 25. So I've had probably one notable car before the one I've just got now, and that is a BMW M135i. LCI 2015 65 plate. Those of you that know Joe Achilles, I keep saying those of you, I'm sure there's no one there, but Joe Achilles White, his second M135i, that pretty much exact spec is what I had. So thanks Joe for costing me a fortune, but at the same time thanks again for your unbelievable content on that car, and I had probably the best 3.5 years of car ownership. I don't know if anything will ever beat that. 21 years old, buying one of those cars, it was fantastic, so thank you for that. But it moves me on to what I'm driving now. So I have a couple of cars. Me and my girlfriend have 2 cars. We just sort of share them. One's a Q3 Black Edition, looks great on the outside. In terms of driving it, it's very naff. It's got like 150 brake horsepower. It's just a plodder. It's okay. It does a job. Fits the golf clubs in the back of it. You can put bikes on the roof. It serves a purpose. And more notably, what I've traded the BMW in for is a Mini Cooper S. Now, I'm 6'5". So I've had some pretty severe abuse for driving a Mini with my height. But I just drive it from the back seats and open the sunroof, so I don't see what the problem is. But I want to start off this channel by talking about the Mini, the Q3. No one's going to be interested in whatsoever, apart from maybe my grandparents. It does seem to attract those sort of people. Every time I drive, if I see a Q3, they're over 60, whatever happens. So I want to talk about the Mini Cooper S. Like I said, share it with girlfriends. But pretending that I'm not enjoying it, but I'm absolutely loving it. I thought it's got 192 brake horsepower, just less than 200 pounds-feet of torque. So down like 140 brake horsepower or 130 brake horsepower on my BMW. But it's twice the fun. You can drive it twice as fast. If I drove my BMW like that, I'd be in a ditch within a mile. It's great fun. So what I want to start off with by doing was looking at doing a what are they called? Hot Super Minis? Don't know what they're called now. So I'd like to do reviews of all of those. So I want to start off by trying to do a proper review of the Mini Cooper S, the new one. It's brand new, 68 plate in Starlight Blue. I want to do a full video of that review. I've bought about 15,000 attachments for GoPros, so I should be able to get some okay content. But like I said, I've got no technical or experience with cameras, so bear with me. I'd like to do a series, really. I'd like to compare it to the Fiesta ST, the Polo GTI, the Ibiza Cupra, the Yaris GR-MN, whatever they call it, the Renault Clio. I don't see many of them. I think they're just made out of cheese. But I'd love to do a series on those cars. Everyone at the moment seems to be in this world of M140s, RS3s, A45s. They're amazing. I'm obsessed with them as well. But jumping into a car that weighs about 1,300 kilos, well, by the time you put me in, it's about 2,000 kilos. I can't believe how much fun they are. And I want to compare it to the rest of them. There's too much torque these days on the hot hatches. They've got 400 brake horsepower, but I think you can have just as much fun with half of that. So that's the plan. I'm hoping that the content comes okay. I'm hoping that you can hear me. I've got no idea. There's a red light flashing on the GoPro, so I presume that means it's recording. But stay with the channel. Hopefully I'll get maybe 2 or 3 subscribers by the time 2019 is out. But I want to be Jeremy Clarkson. Most people at school want to be David Beckham. I wanted to be Jeremy Clarkson. So watch this space. Mini Cooper S review coming soon, hopefully, depending how long it takes me to edit it, because I've got no editing software whatsoever. So let's finish this video by doing the typical TGE. See you later.